Happy Merry Monday, everyone. Oh my goodness. I hope you're going to be all right with what we're doing. We're going to work in this. I had such a busy weekend that until right this minute, I had no idea what we were going to be doing. So we need to do this. Yeah, we need to do this. So I was sitting there thinking, well, let's get this together then. Let's do these. Best thing. So I gathered some papers because I do want to add some journal pages to this. Let me make sure that my phone is on silent. Okay. I want to add journal pages, and I thought I might want to add some doilies. I thought that'd be really pretty. I have this whole stack of green doilies, and I've got some white doilies. And I don't want there to be a doily on every page, but you know, it's the holidays, so it's very festive. And yeah, I hope everybody's doing well, that you had a nice weekend. I think this would be pretty. You open this up and see a green doily. Wouldn't that be pretty? So what we're going to do is we're going to take and fold this in half. I'm sorry if you hear machinery. The woman behind us is in her backyard doing something. I don't know what, but something. So let's see, like a lighter page. You don't have to add pages to a waterfall journal. I just really think I like it because it gives you the ability to be able to journal. So I know they can't be longer than this. And what does that mean exactly? Well, it can't be longer than that, and that is what, 2, 4. That can't be. Are they only 5 and something? Well, they'd be 6 because they were on 12-inch papers, right? So 6, 2, 4, 6, and I made it a little bit smaller, obviously, so I don't want him hanging off. So we're just going to tear these and wish for the best. Hope, hope, hope. And I'm going to use this one even though it's a little bit smaller. Why not? So I have to remember now, how did I do this? I think, if I'm remembering, I think what I did was I just kind of just eyeballed it, didn't make it fussy, didn't make it be that big a deal. So if we do this, and then maybe some washi tape on these pages, oh my goodness, wouldn't that be pretty? So this is going to go like that, and you can see this page is going to get, it's not going to have paper all the way over, and that's okay. So let's just get an idea of what we're doing here. So when you open this up, look guys, it's just going to be really pretty. And I have no clue about this. I don't know. But there we've got a journal page. I'd like a journal page on each one. So we are just going to kind of repeat the process. Nothing exciting, but this is my Merry Monday. This is what I'm going to be doing. And I can see we've got some cracking. We've talked about cracking, but we're going to be okay. So that's that. Let's see if I can get a longer let's see. Let's go this way now. Yeah, now we're rotating this way. And this for me is just the easiest. I'll make a crease and fold this. And then I'm going to pull out my cutter because I know this is 6 inches. And so I'm going to go a little bit less than the 6. Save that. Or we could put that in. And keeping my fingers crossed that this is right, which I think it is. We will go in here like that. Let's just check it. See if now we need a doily. So we've got that, so cute. Then we've got that. Now we've got this. Yep, that's working. So let's do a doily here. Grab another piece of paper. And we're just going to continue this process throughout the journal. So here we go. So today we are having the whole family over for a barbecue, President's Day. So I'm hoping everybody is doing something fun. Let's see if we can tear this. 2, 4, 6, a little bit shorter than that. I hope you guys that you've planned something. Our neighbors next door, I think they drove up to Utah. They should be home today. They have family up there. And hopefully they went and they'll get home safely, having had a great time. Tony is in, physical therapy now, so that is fantastic. Next stop will be home. So they're elated. Okay, so this goes there. This opens up. This goes in there. Alrighty, we are doing it. We are making this happen. I was a little bit quiet there because my husband was upstairs, but he just went downstairs, I think, to take the dog for a walk. So I can pick my voice up a little bit. All right, 6 inches, a little bit less, 2, 4, 6. These guys are going to be so cute. I think I mentioned one will be in my shop and one I think is going to be December giveaway. Look at that paper. I haven't made it to Michael's, but I will get there. Okay, I think this is the last one. And I think I can just take and fold a piece of copy paper in half, and I might be good. So let's check that out and see if that will work. And yes, it will. So I've got more scraps, guys. Oh my goodness. You have no, I have so many scraps. It is really ridiculous. My scrap box is insane. Okay, let's look at this and see how we look. And yes, we're getting fatter. And if you remember correctly, last year's Waterfall journals, they didn't close. They were all up like this because I put a lot of three-dimensional things inside of them. But this already feels better. Not so flat. So let's see if I've missed up on anything. So that is just really cute. Journal page. Just want to make sure that I haven't messed anything up and that everybody's got a journal page. And then there, yep, look at it. Look at us go. Look at that. This has a little short one, but that's okay. So does this. All right, we're going to do the same thing on the next one. And my brain is cooking right now, wondering, should we stitch these, or is there anything else I might want to put in them before I do stitch them? Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, so we know we want a doily. You know, just beware when you buy colored doilies like this, you get a lot and you don't use that many. So I really need to make these part of my life. Look at this. Yeah, there's a lot of, we need to do a lot of doily stuff. Okay, this is the shortest piece. But we can use the whole thing. See, I messed up on the other. This is what I should have done. Right like this is what I should have done. Instead, I made it hard for myself. Okay, we'll tear. And I could have just used white paper, but I don't like all that stark white. I prefer to have some color. So we're going to go like that. We're going to do the same thing here. Figure out where our fold is. Hopefully I'm on camera. This really is, there's probably so many ways to do this. This really is the only way. So I do have some news. Our son and his family are going to Europe the end of May, and they want us to go with them. Wants to go to Amsterdam. He really wants to go back and do all the things that we did when we lived in Germany. So he wants to go to Germany, he wants to go to Amsterdam, he wants to go, let's see, wants to go to Amsterdam, they want to go to Belgium, and they want to go to France, and they want to go to, I mean, the list goes on. And, you know, we had dinner with him yesterday, and I said to him, you know, the problem is, you're so excited to show your kids, and I get that. You know, I totally understand that. But everything that you want to do because you kind of want to relive what you did, because we were in Bitburg, Germany, and that is right near Pilsen Beer, and 20 minutes out of Luxembourg. Not that far from Trier. We used to go to Trier and shop all the time. He wants to go back to Trier, which I would love to go back to Trier. But, you know, I get he wants to go just kind of relive everything. And it's impossible. You can't do it all. You just can't. I understand it, but you can't do it all. You just can't. There's not enough time to be able to do everything. So I'm like, you got to narrow this all down and figure it out, because otherwise you're going to be spending all your time in the car driving from point A to point B. And, you know, you want the kids to be able to go up in a castle, too, because, I mean, what other opportunity do you have to go see a castle? And I mean, there's just so much. He's like, well, Mom, you know, what do you really want to see? Well, I want to do it all. But I know I can't, and I know it won't be the same, which is one of the reasons why I've never gone back. I think that when we were there, it was the early 90s, and it was so fun, and it was so affordable, and we lived there. So we had a car. It was easy to just get up on the weekend and go to Belgium and spend the weekend. It was easy to go. We were only 3.5 hours out of from Amsterdam, so it was easy to get up and spend a weekend in Holland. And now you don't live there, so you have to rent a car. You don't have coupons for gas, so you're going to have to pay whatever the gas is on the economy, and it's going to be expensive. So, it's, I don't know, guys, to be continued for sure, to be continued. I think it'll be a whole lot of fun, but yeah, it won't be the same, and I have to look at it like that. I have to, look at it and say, Charlotte, don't go thinking it's going to be the same, because it isn't. Impossible for it to be the same. So I'm thinking that that's probably coming up in my future. That would probably be around the end of May. So we shall see. The whole time I'm gone, I will do YouTube shorts, because obviously there won't be any videos. Not this type of video anyway. So I will keep you posted on if that's going to happen. They're looking at tickets, so I'm thinking it is. All right, let's double check this. We have a green doily. Paper. Paper. We are looking for paper. 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 And paper. 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 All right, should we stitch? Stitching is just so boring. I don't know that I want to put you through stitching. I don't remember. I looked at the clock. I don't remember how much time I took. Let's put this away, and I've got now all of this that we need to do something with. This make great mini journals. So, should we stitch, guys? Come on, tell me. Should we stitch, or I guess we'll stitch. Let's stitch. All right, Merry Monday. So let me get out. Let's get out the stitching stuff. Needles and all. And I think black. I'm going to use black to stitch with, I think. Yeah, we're going to use black. I think I used blue in the last one, but I think let's do black. And I think I'll do the 3-hole. I typically do the 5. And we want beads, so we are going to give ourselves plenty of thread. I'll find a needle. Let's see, I don't want one that's too thick because it will rip the paper. I think this is my favorite. Let's use it. And then I'm thinking it might be a good idea to decorate those pages with some washi tape. All right, who's first? Might as well take this one. Here's my center. Now I am assuming that my doilies are where I want them to be. I think I want this doily not on the paper, but I think I want the doily on the cardstock. like this, right? I think so. That's why always check. Don't ever assume that you have everything where you want it. This paper, let's bring it down a little bit. Okay. Come on, paper. See, this is the boring part of everything. But it's the necessary part, isn't it? You got to do it. So come on, Charlotte. Let's get this going. Okay, it's going to be what it's going to be because I'm done fussing. Put our clamps on. Then I like to close it because you'd be surprised that looks really good. So now we're going to punch our holes. And sometimes I do put this in a book. Let's see where I am. That's good. Okay. All right. Then I think we're going to come in from the outside, so my strings are on the outside. And leave some length for our beads. And then I come up into the top and out. And then I go in. A lot of times I see people when they do this, they then come all the way down to the bottom. I do not. I go back in the center. And you don't want to catch this thread. So I'm going in the center, going out the bottom. And then what I like to do is come up and under here and then tie my knot. Just like that. And there we go. So hopefully we'll be good. There's our book. The white, the contrast is beautiful. Yeah, and then I think we'll washi tape the ends of the papers. I just think it'll make them look really pretty. And it doesn't have to be the same washi as what we have. It can be something completely different. Let's just make sure that our strings are not wonky at all, that everything is as it should be. That's a little bit low, but it'll be all right. So it looks good. All right, book 1 is done as far as getting it together. So there is book 1. And now Let's check her out. Not really that worried. Let's see, where did I put the doily on this one? The white doily. There we are. No, that's wrong. This should be. Let's put the white doily on this red. And then the red goes there. What? I just dropped my needle. I just heard my needle fall. So where are you? It still had string attached, so we should be good. Sorry, guys. I am just, I'm out of sorts today and I'm feeling it because I was so busy over the weekend. There we go. So I'm going to say this is going to go however it is how it's going to go. The white doily was over the other cardstock in the other one, but it's beautiful there too. So this is what we're going to do. Open her up. Let's get our clamps on. I won't blame you if you left me. But we have to get this done, and so might as well, right? Might as well get it done because then the fun begins. We get to decorate. And that is the fun. So anyway, yeah, we're having the family over tomorrow for barbecue, so that'll be good. All right, so we've got that. It's not going to work. So we need more. All right, not going to measure. I'm not going to worry. I have to say, I really had no idea what I was going to do because I was so busy over the weekend. I didn't think about it. And then this morning I did a different, I'm doing my Artie Mays design team project, and you're going to see that tomorrow. And so I was working on that and got that video done the whole time thinking, what are we doing for Merry Monday? I'm not tired of Christmas at all. It is not that. Not that at all. So don't worry. If you're sitting there thinking, oh, she's not going to, yes, I am going to do it all year. But I just really hadn't thought about it. Okay, we want length. So I come in from the back into the middle and out the top. And if I were doing the 5-hole, I just would continue on. I would do the same thing, only there'd be 2 more holes. No different. But I have seen other crafters that what they would do at this point is they would come all the way down to here and up and out here, and I don't do that. I think it's all really the same, except I don't have that long thread here, which when you tied this off, you would tie that off anyhow. But I don't, yeah, no, that doesn't make any sense to me at all. So this, for me, works better. So if you're watching me and you're thinking, what in the world are you doing? This is how I do it. So then I come through here, and now we're going to make our knot. We're going to pull it. This is waxed thread. So it does, you don't have to worry about holding your knot when you're trying to do it, because it isn't going to go anywhere. And then we can use those little guys when we do our little books. So we can put this away, and let's look at this book. Take these off. Keep that one out. We can use it. Whoop. Sorry about the noise, guys. I know that's annoying. Okay, let's see what we've got. Looks good. Yeah, I think washi tape, isn't that just so pretty? Washi tape is going to make all the difference in the world. Oh, is that tight? Because this is waxed, if I have to take it apart, I just put a pin in there and it comes apart. So what I usually do then is put a little, when I have it exactly how I want it, I will put a little dab of glue on that knot. But we look good. Yes, we do. We look good, guys. Okay, not the most thrilling video on the planet, okay, but a necessary video. And yeah, it all looks nice. I think this needs its own little thing. So these are gonna go away for a little bit. I might do the washi tape off camera, because I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. I mean, it's just putting washi tape on pages. Not a big deal. But I do want to show you, we are going to, I think, tomorrow I'm showing you the video of Artie Mae's, the spring video. And then I think we are going to be... I'm looking at this going, why is that there with that big clamp on it? I don't know. I guess I want it to go there without the clamp, though. So then we're going to work on this. This is almost done. Can you believe how beautiful this is? Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's just so pretty. I can't put anything else in this. It's impossible. It's impossible. Look at the little bunny peeking out. It's so cute. But yeah, I can't get any more in this. So this comes next. And I don't know then what will come later in the week. We will see. I do want to start a new flip-flop journal. So, and then maybe we should start working on the giveaway for March. Maybe that's what we'll do. All right, guys, so thanks for hanging with me. Like I said, not real exciting, but necessary, and we got that done, and that makes me happy. So hugs to everyone, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.